The Overseas Workers Welfare Administration says efforts are being made to further facilitate the processing of documents needed by OFWs. These include putting up passport processing in one-stop shops. Kirby Cristobal filed his report.
Bring OWA closer to the people. This is DOLE Secretary Bello's marching order for new OWA Administrator Hans Cagdac. In his interview with PTV News, Cagdac aims OWA programs and service to be fast, effective, and accessible.
Asahan ninyo na mas lalong magiging accessible, mas mararamdaman ang serbisyo ng OWA, mas magkakaroon ng agarang solusyon ng mga problema, mas proactive. Siyempre nandoon din kami pag nangyari na yung problema, pero ang isa rin siguro ay magkakaroon ng mga solusyon bago pa man dumating ang problema. And of course, pagpapabilis ng proseso at sistema.
He also added a joint effort with the Department of Foreign Affairs on passport processing as a one-stop shop program of the government.
Patuloy naman ang pakikipag-usap natin sa DFA, syempre mga partners naman natin ng DFA. So, yung ba ang pagkakaroon ng one-stop shop ay paglilinang din yan ng serbisyo ng mga ahensya na nandoon sa one-stop shop. So, it's normal na magkaroon lang ng karagdagan pang improvement ng serbisyo. Basta mahalaga nagsama-sama na kami sa isang bubong at naghahandog na ng serbisyo. And the rest is sharpening, improving our services. So yun yung sinabi kahapon sa Senate hearing na magkaroon sana ng passport appointments at paggawad na rin ng passports dun sa OSCO, sa one-stop shop. So sabi naman ng DFA, pag-aaralan nila.
Cagdac is also in favor with the one-time registration of overseas workers for ease and fast processing of papers going abroad.
Okay naman yun, yung sinasabi ni Sec Bello kahapon na once a member, always a member. Kailangan lang pag-aralan syempre yung mechanics, yung detalye nun. But gusto natin yun kasi yung pagbayad ng kontribusyon ay isa yan sa mga medyo pumipigil o di kaya medyo nagiging inconveniente sa mga sapian, sa mga OFWs ng OWA. Kaya maganda yung one-time payment and then from there, delivery na of programs and services. Pero again, kailangan pag-aralan yung mechanics, yung detalye. No?
The Department of Justice's prosecutors, Attorney Claro Aureliano, is set to take over Cagdac's post as POEA Administrator. For PTV News, Kirby Cristobal.